Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, my disclaimer, the following content is not financial advice. That being said, let's jump right into it. Bitcoin is at 41,000 US dollars right now. We are still ranging here between 46,000 and 33,000. And we're compressing here. And yeah, at some point, Bitcoin will make a move to the upside or downside. We don't know it. When we go to the Bollinger Bands here, the 1 hour, yeah, they are narrowing here, so it seems like a move will happen soon here. Always when these bands narrow, most of the time there is a move coming. You can see it here, for example, or here. We had a move here to the downside, or here to the downside. So that's interesting to watch. Yeah, we have the Nasdaq, which is bouncing here since yesterday. After the FOMC meeting, we have this bounce here, and yeah, I mean, Bitcoin is following the Nasdaq and the stock market, so yeah, it would be good if the stock market goes up, and of course for the stocks we hold would be also very nice. Ethereum is better than Bitcoin today, up 1.5%. They want to transition to proof of stake within this year is the plan, and yeah, they successfully launched the testnet, which is running so far as I'm aware of. So that might be the reason for Ethereum for this breakout. Let's go a little bit on the long term here. We can see here this downtrend, and yeah, the next levels to watch here is the 3,000. That would be the last high here was at 3,000, so that would be an important step for Ethereum. Core Scientific had also a little breakout here out of this downtrend, is moving now up. Next level here should be at 9.5 US dollars if we can get there. Mara bounced here again from the lows here at 20 US dollars. We have multiple bounces here over the last year. And yeah, it's now moving up, and it should be now, yeah, at resistance. We can see it here. The last high here was at 26 US dollars, and we are now again at 26 US dollars. So yeah, Mara is right. If it goes above here, that would be a strong move. The next one would be at 27.4 US dollars here, and that would be a good start here to move out of this downtrend here. A good start, of course. Up 7% today, Mara. Then we have Riot blockchain. Riot here still very low, 17.7 US dollars. We are now approaching resistance here from this high here at 18.2 US dollars. So that should maybe give some resistance, but that would be also the first step for Riot to reclaim this one. And the next one then at approximately 20 US dollars here, that would be also a resistance where Riot has to get through. This is the next level here to watch. So now 18, then 20 US dollars if we continue to the upside. Up 8% today, so that looks not so bad. Hut 8 still low in the lows here. It reminds me a little bit here, this pattern here last summer. But yeah, it's too early to say. The next goal here would be 5.8 US dollars here from this high, then 6.5, and then of course the big one here at 7.8 US dollars. So all these resistances have to be reclaimed for Hut 8. Let's move on. We have Hive blockchain. Also, next resistance should be at 215 US dollars here approximately. So we are right now at this resistance from this high here, but it seems like Hive might be able to get above, and the next one would be at 215, approximately 216. Bitfarms also holding the support here from last year. Big support zone so far, moving up here a little bit at $3.64 right now, or up 3.7%. And yeah, the next big resistance here would be at $4, and yeah, then 440. So this is the next goal here for Bitfarms. If Bitcoin continues to move to the upside here, we have Argo blockchain still very low here in the lows. So yeah, let's show some strength here, please. We have DMG blockchain, also here in the summer lows from 2021. Here we have made new lows in this year, now stabilizing here at this level. And yeah, let's see. I think CleanSpark is still interesting. They're compared to the competitors, fundamentally a little bit undervalued because they produce a lot of BTC compared to a small market cap. And they're now at this big resistance zone. We have been rejected here a few times this year. And yeah, it tries to work its way through here. And yeah, then there would be a lot of room for CleanSpark, I think. But yeah, first we have to get through this. Okay, let's go to Iris Energy. Iris got rejected here at the $18 level here, these big resistance, and is now retracing. And hopefully we can find here at these levels a bottom. What are the commodities doing? Oil is up again here, 7%. We have natural gas. No, this is coal. US dollar per ton, 340. Has come down a little bit, but still incredibly high. We have natural gas from these crazy highs here, where we have been at 225 euro per megawatt hour. So this is the European prices. Yeah, down to 105, but still very high when we compare before all the crisis here. I mean, it's still 10x up. Gold up 1% today, silver 1.5%. Yeah, so, and the US dollar index here is at a little bit red at 0.3%. Okay, the Mara pool is mining some Bitcoin here, 36. So we're approximately at the levels at the same pace as February. So still no big move here for Mara. So they're mining 2-3 blocks here a day, 4 sometimes, but that's not a big thing. Network hash rate is, they saying here it's 3.7 exahash. So I think that's approximately the level Mara says it has. Yeah, this is the Mara pool. We have Bitfarms. Bitfarms is now at 2.7 exahash. They increased their hash rate from 2.3 to 2.7 exahash. They installed new miners here at the facility, the Bunker in Quebec. So that's good news. We have Riot blockchain released earnings, 213 million US dollars or 3,812 BTC. We can check the assets here. End of 2021, it was 1.5 billion US dollars in assets. So big balance sheet here for Riot. Market cap is slightly above right now at approximately 1.8 billion or so. And the revenue, we can see 184 from self-mining, 24 million from hosting, and 4 million from engineering. Yeah, and that's the 213 million US dollars for 2021. We have a net loss here of 8 million US dollars. Big part of this, I think, is the share-based compensation. The G&A here, we can see 87 million. So this has to go down in the future, of course, to become profitable. But yeah, the market does not care too much right now. It's up 8% today. We also have financials from Hut 8. The assets, and this is all in Canadian dollars, 720 million Canadian dollars in assets. Big cash here on the balance sheet at the end of December. Also big digital assets. So they hold a lot of Bitcoin right now, more than 6,000 here, of course. So that's 720 million in assets on the balance sheet. When we go to the revenue for 2021, it's 173 million Canadian dollars. The gross profit, 89 million. And the operating income was 48 million. We have this one-time event here, a loss on revaluation of warrant liability, so that hurts of 114 million. So that's why we have a big net loss here of 72 million Canadian dollars. So that's of course not great. Let's talk about the hash rate. Is now at 200 exahash approximately, so we're stabilizing at this level, and the next difficulty adjustment will happen in 2 hours and will be a little bit in negative 0.3% expected. Okay, so I think that's it for today. Bitcoin 41,000. It's compressing here. Hopefully we can make a move to the upside. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.